Hello friends, welcome to our channel. There are many reasons to fall in love with Finland and the Finns, who are in fact the happiest people in the world. Finland is famous for being the happiest country in the world, as well as having the world's best education system and cleanest air. Finland is known for its saunas, Nokia, and the Santa Claus village. Are you curious to know about Finland? Come with us as we explore what Finland is known for. First, Northern Lights. Finland is famous for its spectacular views of the Northern Lights. Lapland is the best spot to view the world's best Northern Lights. The Aurora Borealis, as they are also called, can appear more than 200 nights a year. That's pretty much every winter night. Second, saunas. Primitive Finns invented them around 30,000 years ago, and there are more saunas than cars in Finland. There's even a sauna at the Burger King in Helsinki. Finland is famous for its sauna, rituals and traditions. Roll in the snow, throw yourself into an ice-cold lake. It's much nicer than it sounds. Third, ice hockey. Finland is known for its quirky sports, but one that's caught on around the rest of the world too is ice hockey. It's true that many countries have rivalries with their neighbors, but nothing gets Finns and Swedes rile up like an ice hockey match, especially against each other. In 2019, Finland won the Ice Hockey World Championship for the third time. Fourth, connection with nature. Finland is known for having gorgeous lakes and forests, and the Finns feel a deep personal connection to the natural world. Finland opened up its wilderness to tourists and locals by law. This also means you can forage for berries or mushrooms, even sleep in a tent pretty much wherever you like. Fifth, Nokia. Finland is famous for pioneering technological advancement. For many of us, our first cell phones were made by Finland's master company, Nokia. In the 1960s, Nokia gained fame for its iconic rubber boots. Nokia is also credited with the first GSM call in 1991 and the first satellite call, which was made in 1994. Sixth, Santa Claus village. Speaking of Christmas, Finland is where you will find Santa's hometown. You can meet Santa Claus every day at the Santa Claus village in Rovaniemi in Lapland, the region in Finland. In 1985, Rovaniemi was declared as an official hometown of Santa Claus. Seventh, the cleanest air in the world. Finland has the cleanest air in the world, and the best place to breathe is Lapland. Studies confirmed by the World Health Organization confirm that Finland's impeccable air quality is down to having fewer cars and no large polluting industries nearby. And the trees work overtime to clean the air for its inhabitants. 8. World-class education. Finland is famous for providing excellent education to children and young people. But what do they do that makes them so successful? Well, there are no standardized tests, minimal homework, and teachers teach happiness. Yes, happiness. All play and no work goes against what many believe is the golden tickets to top grades. Most students leave school with at least 2 languages, Finnish or Swedish and English, and many elect another European language on top of that. Spending just 20 hours in school a week, Finnish children have plenty of time to play sports, socialize, and learn independent skills. It's also illegal in Finland for schools to charge tuition. So, two words can sum up Finland's education approach: community and equality. The world's happiest country. Despite all of this, Finland is known for being the happiest country in the world and has been for 3 years running. Many are surprised when they hear that Finland is the country where all happy people live. Well, in Finland, it has a lot to do with community spirit. Finland topped the World Happiness Report, in which 156 countries were ranked by happiness levels based on factors such as life expectancy, social support, and corruption. In all of this, Finland topped the list. These are the things you need to know about the amazing country, Finland. Those who are impressed by watching this can visit this wonderful place. I hope you all enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more awesome videos.